Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some incoming Valentine's Day mail. This is from my friend Tony. She's CraftPurge on Instagram and on YouTube. I'm going to be sharing down below her new YouTube channel. You guys definitely have to go check her out. She is amazing and her Instagram is super cute as well. So both will be linked down below. Definitely go follow her and tell her Lily sent you. And yeah, she sent me this beautiful, super chunky tag flip. You guys, this is like massive. She always like stuffs her projects. I love it. She sent me some crinkle paper in white and red. She made me a little handmade card. How cute is this? Super cute. You guys, I have not gone through any of this stuff. I just took it out of the plastic and turned my camera on because I want you guys to see with me what she sent me. So I'm trying to see if I should bring up the focus so that you guys can really see the tag flip. And this is the first page, and she used some gold like tulle, and it's like scrunched up, looking so cute. It says Lily right here. She's using the crepe paper main squeeze paper. Let me open it up. Oh, how cute, you guys, is this super cute chipboard tag. Has all these little wine bottles right here. Oh, I love this, you guys. I love the way she crafts. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I know. Oh, there's a little clip here. Look at that, how cute. I know she made a bunch of little like ephemeras and embellishments for all her pals. So when I saw her post that on Instagram, I got super excited because I know she's my pal. So I knew I was gonna get one and I was so excited about it. You guys, look at these little bows. Like, Tony hooks it up. For Christmas, she sent me a bunch of embellishments as well, and I just couldn't use them because they were just so gorgeous. I like to save them, and she packages them so cute. You guys, check out this topper. How cute is that? I actually ordered that die online. I love it. So cute. I can't wait to get it. I ordered my dies so late this year that I'm gonna have to use them like next year. But you guys, she made me a bunch of bows. How cute. Look at this tag. I think this one is from I think it's Hello Love, right? Is this focused the right way? You guys can really see it. I don't want to be blurry, but I love that tag. It's so cute. Oh, look at the little, what does it say? Preffies? Little stickers, little puffy stickers. Oh, these are cute. Never seen anything like that. Nice. Look at this tag. She started sewing her tags and some embellishments. It came out really nice, girl. You did a good job. You guys, look at the little embellishments, the little things that the little cutouts that she made. She hand cut all these herself, you guys. Like, that is dedication, and I appreciate it so much. Like, when someone does something like that for me, it's like I feel so special, because that is like exercising your arm. Trust me, cutting all these little die cuts is not easy. But look how pretty that mix looks. Look at the little topper. It says Be My Valentine. She puts so much love into her projects. I love that about her. This cute little doily. You guys, look at those clips. Are these rose gold? Oh my god, they're beautiful. I love these. Oh my god, this is stuffed with so much goodies. Look at this little foam heart. She made it to like a little pocket. She put some die cuts in there. I love this little ephemera piece. So cute. Look, you guys, she handmade some bows. And the topper again. So good. I love this. Look at this tag. It's also like a chipboard tag. Oh, she sent some of the little reinforcers. I want this die so bad. So cute. Oh, I can't wait to use those. And then look at that, you guys. She made like a banner. So cute. She made some rosettes with a little topper. Oh my god. Girl, you went all out. I love this. Look how cute how she sewed the trim. You guys, definitely have to go check her out. Oh my god, look how cute, you guys. She sent me some cupcake liners. This is such a good idea. Ah, she sent me a die. Oh my god, it's a little coffee cup with the heart sticking out. Well, coming out the coffee. Oh, thank you so much, Tony. I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. She sent me some stickers with the little smiley faces. How silly does he look? I love it. Oh, look, she made me a little mini doily set. You guys know I was looking for mini doilies, and look at that. Oh, thank you, Tony. Oh, you guys, this is amazing. This tag clip is just like, oh, insane. Look at this trim up here. How beautiful. She has like the most prettiest stuff in her craft room. You guys definitely have to go see what she creates because I love her posts. She became like super fast one of my favorite crafters on Instagram. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I think I'm gonna stare at this like all night. I love it so much. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Tony. I appreciate you. I appreciate your craft. It's amazing. I am a happy girl right now. And yeah, you guys, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.